Hello and welcome to today's Logic Pro quick tip. This is about the MIDI effects and how to record them, because last Thursday I went through a whole bunch of MIDI effects, but this is probably the most important one. The rest of them you can play around with, although at the end I will give you a bonus tip that I like to use with percussion. So what I'm going to do is put the arpeggiator on a piano track. So we've got a piano there. Grab the arpeggiator. Let's do up, down, variation 2/3 octaves. If I just hold down a chord now, that is going to arpeggiate. If I record it, you will see it is only recording the notes that I held down. But because the arpeggiator is on, I can play around with the different settings and get different effects. What if I actually want the notes that come out of it? Well, that is when you turn on, at any point in the MIDI effects chain, you turn on record MIDI to track here. So let's do that again. There you go. Now you can see it has actually recorded each of those notes. So I can turn the arpeggiator off now and edit any of these notes that I want to. So if you're nearly there with the arpeggiator but you want to speed things up, that is a good way to do it. Let's just make it even more complicated and show you. We could put a transposer on it into D Lydian. Change that to record track there. Okay, so I was holding down the same C chord, but it has now transposed it. Another one you might want to do is note repeater. I quite like this, and this is partially what I'm about to show you with the percussion effect. So we've got an arpeggiator, then a note repeater. And we are recording all of those notes. The only catch is you have to play it in live to do that. If anybody knows a different way to do that, where you don't have to play it in live, let me know in the comments. And the last thing I'm going to show you, the bonus tip, is if I'm doing percussion effects, so something like this. Okay, so we've got a little beat there. If you just put on the note repeater, so this is one repeat and bumping the velocity down slightly or ramping it down. So it can turn a really simple rhythm into something quite interesting very quickly. There you go. That's the tips for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.